Dalle just got released a few weeks ago and some people are wondering how to actually use it for free. Therefore, I'm gonna show you how you can use Dalle to make amazing AI art. Let's get into it. Alright, I found two ways of using Dalle for free, but if you found any other ways, feel free to leave a comment. And also hit the subscribe button if you want. The first method is using Microsoft Edge. So if we smash this button right here, you will enter the Edge homepage. Once you're here, you can look to the right to see the sidebar. If you look at the sidebar, you can see the image and the paintbrush here on this icon. So then you can click on it. Here we go. We can see that it is powered by Dalle and we can type in whatever we want to create the image. Or we can click on this blue button to surprise yourself. Let's do it. Here you can see we got a robot made of analog stereo equipment digital art. Let's create it by clicking on this blue button. Here we have it, a robot made of analog stereo equipment. If we click on one of the robots, for example this one, we can see it in full scale. It's created by Bing Image Creator, but it is powered by Dalle. You can see you can share it, save it, download it, or you can customize it. And if you think it's too small here, you can just hold on this sidebar and drag it out to make it a little bit bigger. And if you're running low on ideas, you can click explore ideas right here to see other images. Here you can see the prompt they use when you hold over them. For example, this one, bright eye makeup looks, and a butterfly with rainbow wings landing on a flower. Then we can get into the second way of using Dalle, which I personally use more often. Here you can actually use any search engine of your choice. I'm gonna use Google Chrome for this one. Once you're in, you can click on the search bar and search bing.com. On this page, you can click images right here, and then you can click create. So here you can see it's basically the same thing, but it is on the whole page. You see that it's still powered by Dalle and it's Microsoft Bing. If you want to create anything, you can create it in this field right here, or you can click surprise me on the right corner here. But there is one thing you need to be aware of. Boost tokens right here. You start with 100, but I have 83 left since I've already used some. Once you've used up all your tokens, you can still create images, but it will take a little bit longer time. But it basically means that you can create images forever, as long as you want. That's it for how to use Dalle for free. Subscribe if you learned something new.